Hey folks, have you ever heard the term garden tractor? Well, let me show you what an old garden tractor looks like. So this is a 1971 International Cub. It has a 4-cylinder gasoline motor. It produces 13 horsepower, 10 horsepower on the drawbar and 11 on the PTO. But the PTO is different than modern tractors. It runs at full engine speed. Don't mind the John Deere seat cover on it. That's a after factory seat, and I like the pockets in the back of those covers, so I'll put that seat cover on there. So what you have here is you have cultivators in the front and sweeps on the rear, and they simply knock the weeds out of the middle of the rows. So we grew up in tobacco country, and it's these style of tractors that we actually use to cultivate tobacco with. We use bigger tractors than the Cubs. We use 140s and farm mile Super A's, stuff like that, to cultivate the tobacco. And the reason that you would use this type of tractor to cultivate is because you can watch everything that you're doing. The cultivating is actually going on in front of you. You sit up here on top of this tractor, and the cultivating feet, one's there and one's over there, and you use your steering wheel shaft here as a sight. You put your plants under that, and you cultivate the weeds out of the row middles. I was using it to cultivate this year's melon patch. I won't cultivate this but just once or twice more, and then the melons will start to grow, and once they start to run, it'll just be what it'll be. This had turnips on it last year, and there are piles of little turnips growing up out there. Between the turnips that are going to volunteer and the melons, the weeds will be kept down pretty much by those, I hope. So as hunters, we can't just live off of what we gather out of the woods. We have to grow some of our own food. And we use this little International Cub to help us along. So until next time, y'all stay safe in the garden, and God bless.